I am Ben, it's also the meeting host.
Hi, this is sprint 1 of phase 2 of the Vatican Parker sprint, and I'm going to be demoing a feature in Mirador that should be merged today of allowing the user to transition between layers in an image choice or detail on a manuscript. So in this case, I've loaded these multiple layers from different locations, and I can adjust the opacity of the layers so that they're visible through one another at the same time. I can still zoom in and turn the layers on and off. There's also a default mode for where this doesn't make sense in the interface at the moment. So book view, scroll view, gallery view, you'll see that that's turned off at the moment. This manifest doesn't have any search service associated, but you'll see that the two features are able to be turned on at the same time. And this will be merged into core as an option to be turned on. So it'll be turned off by default. And that is image choice and layers in Mirador.
Hi, I'm going to be demoing a feature adding to the exhibits code base. As part of our use case, we want to be able to switch between using sul-embed as the default viewer for IIIF resources within exhibits and using Mirador as the default viewer. In this case, what you see is the use of Mirador as the viewer. You can see that the styling is slightly different than what we see with the typical sul-embed. We have a wider image or a wider instance of Mirador here to enable the users to have better access and visibility of the image. This is controlled with a settings page that you can see in the exhibit configuration under viewers. Here you're able to select between sul-embed or Mirador. In this case, we'll go ahead and select sul-embed. And if we go back over to our resource in the item view and reload, you can see that we have sul-embed now as the viewer. We can switch it back to Mirador. And have full access again to the Mirador viewer. This is a stripped down Mirador instance, very similar to Zen mode. So we have less of the Chrome and we have most of the options disabled, although we do still have image and manipulation enabled for these images. Thank you.